This is the short review and unboxing of wired Steelseries Arctis 3 headset. The device comes in good looking but simple and regular quality carton box. It doesn't have some of that high quality feeling like some other models and brands have, but this is not even expected in this price range. This headset is used mostly as a gaming headset, but it can be used for other purposes as well. Thanks to its elegant look without flashing lights and colors, comfortable cushions and good microphone. Box content is pretty simple. It contains headset and set of wires for it. While I'm struggling with the rest of the unboxing, let's talk about each presented component and as well about the build, sound and microphone quality of Arctis 3 headset. User guide is not included in the box, but it can be downloaded from the Steelseries website. Only paper included in the box is a small pamphlet indicating user where it can find further support. Not bad, save the paper. Headset packaging is including two sets of wires. Wires are not too thin, but also do not give very robust feeling. They are definitely thicker than the wires on standard earbuds, but connector seems like a potential weak point in case of fall or some other pressure on wire. First wire is 1.2 meters long and one end has 3.5 mm jack, while another end is the main cable connector, which connects to the main cable jack and headphones. Second wire is 1.8 meters long dual 3.5 mm extension cable with 3.5 mm jacks for headphones and microphone at the end. In total, with both connected, headset cable is 3 meters long. Quick math. Arctis 3 build quality is very good. Even though it cannot be compared with very expensive models, plastic used to build headphones is not a fingerprint magnet and it seems to be pretty resistant on accidental scratches. Accidental taps on headphones will be very audible to the person wearing the headphones. Cushions are not made out of usual cheap leather-like materials, and instead headset is using textile air-weave materials which are very comfortable and will keep your ears from sweating even after hours of headset use. Mute button and volume control are located on headset. Besides these control buttons, main cable connector and headphone share jack are there as well. One of the interesting notes from our test is that mute button is not active when it is pressed in headset. This means that in order to mute microphone, button must be out. This was confusing at the beginning as we have expected that mic will be muted when button is pressed in. A retractable microphone can be easily adjusted in any direction, and sound quality produced by this microphone is one of the better ones comparing to any headset I have tested. Here is the recorded sample.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
This is the test of Steelseries Arctis 3 microphone. Audio is without any additional effects or noise removal and it is recorded next to the running computer. Only adjustment and audio file done was sound level normalization to -3 decibels. You can adjust headset size only by adjusting the velcro straps on the sides of the headband. When it comes to the sound quality, I have tested Arctis 3 connected to the smartphone and to the PC. In general, these are relatively quiet headphones which are not offering strong bass, but music and sound quality is good and comparing to my AKG K451, they produce deeper, more pleasant sound. In games, we can observe the same as in music, somewhat quiet headphones which will make you keep the volume settings up. But sound quality and orientation is good, which will help in FPS but also in other types of games. you.